Today we're going to talk about the sum product formula. It's a pretty simple formula. It's very easy to use. So let's just jump into it. So today, the first one we're going to discuss is the easiest. We're simply just multiplying two columns. So rather than doing each row, this just says give us everything here with the price, and times everything with quantity. So that gives us 691,000. And if you sum up this, it should come to 691,875. Another way to use this formula, which is a little more complicated, is we're going to use the filter column of country, and we're going to try and find everything that has US. And then we're going to, on this back end, this is the column that we want to sum. So we are summing everything here that has US, and that should give us $284,000.